tó mo kí yín o, ẹ ṣé tẹ́ tẹ́tí sí mi. Èmi náà ni o, èmi tí ní tòótọ́, àìtalẹ̀ abiyamọ. Èmi àìtalẹ̀ abiyamọ kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin akéde tègbétàgbà. Káàbọ̀ sí abala Mofeko Ede Mi torí kíkọ́ ni mímọ̀. Àkórí ọ̀rọ̀ wa lénìí ni Arin Eya Ara. Ìpele kejì nínú ẹ̀kọ́ wa nípa orúkọ àwọn ẹ̀yà ara wa lédè Yoruba. Hello everyone, Aitale Abiyamo welcomes all Akedes to Mofeko Ede Mi. This is the second segment of our topic of body parts, and we will be proceeding to the middle body parts. The middle body parts, Arin Eya Ara, which is from your shoulder, ejika, down to your waist, ibadi. Come along with me. Ejika, shoulder. Ejika is for support. Ejika frames the body. Aya, chest. Aya. Ọkàn, heart. Ọkàn. Backbone, ògóró ẹ̀yìn. Backbone, this is for support. This frames our body. That the shoulder, that the backbone. You can't move, you can't do nothing. So the backbone is important. It is important for you to look after your back. Ẹ̀yin ṣe pàtàkì, ẹ̀yin ṣe kókó. Ẹ jẹ́ ká tọ́jú ẹ̀yin wa. Breast, ọyàn, breast. Belly button, ìdodo, belly button. Ikùn, tummy, ikùn. Ikùn is also ninu, ikùn or inu. Tummy, ikùn or inu. Ham, ọwọ́, arm. Ìgúnpá, elbow, ìgúnpá. Armpits, abíyá, armpits. Wrists, ọrùn ọwọ́, wrists. Fingers, ìka ọwọ́, fingers. Palm, àtẹ́lẹwọ́, palm. Nails, èékánná, fingernails, èékánná ọwọ́. I'll take that again. Nails, èékánná, nails. Fingernails, èékánná ọwọ́, fingernails. Ẹ̀yìn ọwọ́, back of the hand, ẹ̀yìn ọwọ́. Your palm too is called ojú ọwọ́, your palm, because you can call it àtẹ́lẹwọ́ or ojú ọwọ́. Either way you suffix. So yeah. So I think you're gonna love this one because this one is quite short. So that is it. Yeah, well done. Well done. Fair play to you. So, that's it. You've known from your shoulder to your waist. Remember, earlier on, we've learned from our head to our shoulder what each part is called in Yoruba. Now from your shoulder down to your waist, you know what they're called in Yoruba. So your middle body part, is Arin Eya Ara. Arin is middle, part is Eya, body is Ara. And this is so simple, this is so fun, this is so interactive. You have to touch every part and name them. Listen to them again. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be so much fun. So, yeah. And for the hand, your hand. You're gonna love this part. You will love this part. So, each of the fingers have a name or a nickname, if you want to say that, a nickname. So, your thumb is Atankpako. Atankpako is your thumb. Your second finger is Odunlabe. Odunlabe is the second one. Why? Because you can use it to scoop up stew and lick. That translated, that's what it's called. Odun. It's easy to scoop up things and lick with your second finger. Your middle finger is Ogajunwolo. Ogajunwolo. Middle finger, because if you put your hands in front of you, you can see your middle finger is the tallest. It's the tallest of them all. So Ogajunwolo means the tallest amongst them all. Your next finger, which is the ring finger, is Orukayemi. Orukayemi, ring finger. That is literally translated ring finger, because Orukayemi, you put the ring on it, so they're like, oh, the ring sits well on me, the ring suits me. Yes, so it is called Orukayemi. And everybody has a pinky. Your pinky, the little finger, is called Kurumbete. The shortest of them all. It is really short. I mean, no matter how hard you try to make, it can never be as tall and as long as the rest, irrespective of the length of your fingers. So your pinky is Kurumbete. So there's a song. There is a song to that. So it's called it's not really a song but sure, let's give it a go. So here goes nothing. So we have this will help you remember, because when you think about something, it stays so. Here goes nothing. Okay, ready, steady, let's go. So Atankpako Odunlabe Ogajunwolo Orukayemi Kurumbete. Atankpako Odunlabe Ogajunwolo Orukayemi Kurumbete. Atankpako Odunlabe Ogajunwolo Orukayemi Kurumbete. Mbete Kurumbete bete bete Kurumbete mbete kuru. Actually, guys, you can see me dance. You can't see me, but man, I'm jamming to this. Atankpako Odunlabe Ogajunwolo Orukayemi Kurumbete. Atankpako Odunlabe Ogajunwolo Orukayemi Kurumbete. Mbete kuru mbete kuru 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 mbete. So this brings us to yet the concluding part of the second part. So ẹ̀yin Akede mi, kò sóhun tó rẹwà, kò sóhun tó dùn tó ká lè sọ èdè abínibí wa, ká lè sọ dáadáa. So abala ẹ̀yà ara kejì rèé o. Ẹ bá mi rántí o. Ẹ máa bá mi sọ, keep saying it. Ẹ máa bá mi jẹ́ lẹ́nu. Ẹ máa bá mi yiri ẹ̀ wò. It doesn't matter if you don't get it at first. You can listen to it again. Learn at your own pace. Learn at your own time. You can put your headphones on and listen to it. And you demonstrate. You touch the parts and you say the name. Say it out loud. Yoruba is a tonal language. And you have to open your mouth. You have to be loud. Say it out loud. If you can hear it. If when saying it out, it makes sense to you. You've gotten it. But if saying it out, it doesn't make sense to you. You gotta give it another go. Go back and listen to it. And you'll get it. You'll get it. So, yes, keep saying it. Keep repeating it. Keep applying it. Always say it in your mother tongue, because Yoruba is rich and beautiful. So till I come your way again, Akede.